hitch up your whipping chair. But the circus train's a blazing tear. Says the cloud with derriere. We'll make our 3 rings anywhere. Rocky!
Come on, Mudbug! We gotta skedaddle!
Oh, my eyebrows still on?
Yep.
Aces. Here, Freckle. I got you a souvenir. You're supposed to light it first. Bum, ba-da-dum, bum, 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 bum. We made it, everyone! We made it!
The carpet.
JJ!
Sorry.
Well, look what the Mississippi spat up.
Miss Sim, you seem, surprised.
Rocky, sweetie, you are nothing if not an exhausting, incomprehensible surprise.
Thank you.
This was supposed to be the real McCoy. Let's see if that's the surprise. Well, it'll certainly start your engine.
Which is to say, it beats radiator fluid.
What's that aftertaste? Crisp, full-bodied, reminiscent of oak wood. Coffin varnish.
Yeah. We can call it Sunset Rose Cocktail.
Sunset Rose Cocktail? That sounds good. You have no idea what I went through to get this.
I have very good an idea.
Sophisticated flavor.
So, not bad then?
Cool.
Better than getting shot. Still, is this all we got for our money, honey? You look like you took a bath in the red.
Well, I could probably wring some more out of my coat for you. There was a minor incident. Incidences?
The likes of what?
Oh, just some spent ammo and
Crated graves.
Fractured signage, minor flooding, lots of structural damage.
we may have fomented a deadly rivalry on the way, too. But dynamite and heavy machinery are marvelous problem solvers. Ayo, sport.
Dynamite? What dynamite?
And the car is fine.
I fixed it.
And you'll be happy to know my violin came through unscathed.
I know you did your best, honey, but we can't keep running ourselves ragged and into the red to bring home Miga. What I mean is, I don't see how this...
JJ!
You know what? I'm glad you and your violin are back, honey. We could all use some music about now. I mean, besides JJ.
All right. Come on, kid. What do you say we go lighten the mood?
About the dynamite and machinery, can you elaborate?
Mr. Sable.
Right. Cheers.
Come on, you owe me a dance.
I do?
Yes, I've decided. You know the Charleston?
No.
The Lindy Hop?
No.
The Roundabout? The Jingle Jangle? The Pizza Noodle?
I have a head injury.
I'll show you. You just gotta put one foot over there.